it was said earlier, if you were to animate a movie or you were to do anything animation, you have to draw before. After drawing, you have to create vector points to create motions on static images, but all that has changed with AI now. So we have the concept of images. Yes, we have the concept of images, of course. So if you were to animate, so what we are going to suggest is that you have your images first and you have an engine that transform the image to motion, and this motion in turns becomes your full video. So the whole process of having to animate now starts from generating images. So generating images, so we have different AI tools that generate images. So we're going to learn how to generate images. That's the first thing we need to do. So the images are meant to be animated images. They are meant to be animated characters. So after we are done generating images, then we'll create videos, would transform the images generated, transform generated images to videos. So this way we get to keep our character consistent, because once we have images we can actually create videos from those images. I've worked on different movie sets, so the whole process goes the way I'm describing it this way: from generating images to transforming generated images to videos. And the last thing you want to do is to joining these videos together to become a unit. Yes, so this is the last thing we are going to do. Speaking of animation, there are different animation. As you can see, these are different animation sets, but I can show you how to create all these things, and these are the reasons why this course is out there. So if you don't know anything about animation just yet, this is the course for you. So animation starts from you sketching on paper, but right now you don't need to do any of that. What we need to do is to use a text prompt, which is the input. Text prompt to generate images, text prompt to generate images. Then from the text prompt we are going to generate images. Once we have the images generated, which is the products given to us from the text, we're going to be able to transform the images to videos. That is, we trying to give motion to images, and when we do this we're going to join the clips together to make a unit and make something good out of it. So that is animation for you. That's the evolution of animation, from sketching on paper to using AI to generate your character, which are CGI. CGIs are computer generated imagery, and from CGIs we can actually put motion to whatever we've created or generated. So these are the highlights of the course, and we're going to practicalize all these. So let's start from the next lesson, where we get to talk about different types of animation. There are a lot of animation, but I'm going to just talk about the popular ones. We're going to see how we can generate different character sets from the popular animation styles we have. So I hope to see you in the next lesson. If you've not enrolled just yet, do remember to enroll now as we go deep and deeper into the course. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.